Okay. I've been sneezing for about 3 minutes now. I went outside. And the sun is rising. The sun was rising. And a lot of my American friends said to me, "What do you mean the sun is rising?" I said, "Yeah, well, in Europe, in the summer, the sun goes down around about 12 o'clock, midnight, and it starts rising again between 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning." "I can't believe that, I can't believe that," they said. So I took a few photos, I took a few photos, and I think I made a video of the sun going down and coming up for a friend. Well, anyway, that's why I'm still awake, because I've just finished making a post. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed now. I'm really, really tired. Love you all. Keep you posted. And the next sound you hear, tell me what you hear on my next video. What we'll be doing from now on is putting a sound in the background. Okay, to make it more interesting. Guess what the sound is. In the beginning, they'll be easy. Then they will get harder and harder. Okay? Love you all. Bye. And